Here I have my Ozzy 3-in-1 French nail tips. Take a look. I'm going to give you a close-up of what they look like. What I really like about these is that they actually already come in the shape that you want them. There are a variety of shapes available. These are in the medium almond shape, and they do have like a French tip at the end. Take a look. So I'm going to take them out of the package and just show you what they look like. All right, so this is my first impression on these. I have never used these before. So let's take a look and see what else is inside the box. Looks like that is all. You do get a total of 150 nail tips. There is 150 pieces, and then there are 15 different sizes available. Natural, time-saving, and pre-shape, which is definitely a plus. You don't have to, like, especially when I go to the nail salon, a lot of the times they have to like shape the nail. So I really like that these already come in the shape that I want them. And like I said, there are many different sizes. There is the coffin shape, the natural squared looking shape. So I'm going to take them out. This is one of the bands. So just giving you a close-up of what that looks like. Actually really nice. I thought they were going to be thicker, and they actually are very natural looking. So that is always good. The great thing is also that like they are on the band, so you could just basically size to the size that you need, and then it just go ahead and twist off. So I'm going to be doing that now. I'm going to go ahead and measure my nails to get the correct sizes. So just like that, super simple to look for your nails. I do like that they're in the strips like this. A lot of the times when you're selecting nails, they have them like in little canisters. So this was actually really easy to just go through and place my finger underneath each individual one and then peel off the correct size. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails so I could go ahead and apply one of the nails so you could go ahead and see what they look like. All right, so since I've already selected the nail sizes, I'm going to go ahead and use my nail bond to start applying them one by one individually. Okay, so here they are. When you're done, if you want to just go ahead and file down the tips where they were attached to the little plastic part, which is really not a lot. I love that I didn't have to spend time like creating the little French style, that they were already prepared for me, and then also the shape. So honestly, like going back and just filing down the little tip is really quick and time efficient. But overall, I do like the appearance of them. They are nice and super natural looking. Take a look. So if you're looking for something that's already done and it looks super natural, then I would definitely recommend these right here. 150 pieces, 15 different sizes. I would definitely recommend.